My name is Binti. My metric number is 2025890138.
Hi, my name is Binti Shahrol. My metric number is 2025293316.
My name is Mohamad. My metric number is 2025405294.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So I want to start our Math 112 group project with question 1 part A. The question is, Melda want to replace her old camera with a high resolution digital camera costing 7,500. Her current camera is still in good condition, but she requires a new camera to support her work. She currently has 6,500 ringgit in savings. She is considering two options, option A and option B. So in this question, we need to determine which option is more financially beneficial for Melda. In this question, we got P equals to 1,000 ringgit, R equals 0.06, M equals 12, T equals 2 years, N equals 12 times 2, we got 24, and I, which is R over M, we got 0.06 over 12. At here, we're going to use a formula S equals P bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N, which is 1,000 bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 close bracket power of 24. And the answer is 1,127 ringgit 16 cents. So her saving is 6,500 plus with 1,127 ringgit 16 cents. Is the total she got is 7,627 ringgit 16 cents. Then for option B, Melda want to save first. Melda save her 6,500 ringgit in an account earning 6% interest compounded monthly and buy the camera using her saving after 2 years. So we also gonna use S equals P bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N, which is the P is 6,500 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 close bracket power of 24, and we got 7,326 ringgit and 54 cents. After 2 years, she just got saved 7,326 ringgit and 54 cents. So her saving is not enough to buy the camera, so that she need to add the balance is 173 ringgit and 46 cents to buy the camera. So here my answer is option A is more financially beneficial for Melda. Then we're gonna move to question 2. The question is, Mr. J.V. Ibrahim owns a piece of agricultural land located near an area targeted for urban development. He may sell it immediately for 870,000 and invest the amount at 3.5% interest compounded monthly, or return it for 2.5 years when the land value is projected to rise to 1,010,000. Advise Mr. J.V. Ibrahim on which decision would be financially more beneficial. So in this question, we got P equals to 870,000, R equals to 3.5%, M equals to 12, T equals to 5 over 2, N equals to 12 times 5 over 2, and I equals to 0.035 over 12. We use formula S equals P bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N, and we got P is 870,000 bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 close bracket power of 12 times 5 over 2, and the answer we got is 949,433 ringgit and 85 cents.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohamad, so I'm going to start question 3 part A. Adwa has just started his first full-time job at the age of 20. He dreams of buying his first car when he turns 25 and decides to start saving early for a 20,000 ringgit down payment. To begin, Adwa deposits 9,200 ringgit into a car service account that earns 4.1% interest compounded quarterly. 3 years later, after receiving a salary increment, he adds another 7,000 ringgit to the same account. The savings account remains untouched and continues to earn interest at the same rate until Adwa reaches 25 years old and is ready to make the down payment. For question A, calculate the total accumulated amount in Adwa's saving account when he turns 25 years old. So we need to calculate how much money he will have by the time he reaches 25 years old. For step 1, we're going to calculate interest rate per period. The interest rate is 4.1% per year, compounded quarterly, which is 4, so the interest per quarter is 0.041 over 4. Second, we need to calculate the accumulated value of the first deposit, which is 9,200 ringgit. He deposited 9,200 ringgit at age 20 and keeps it until age 25. By using the formula S equal to P1 plus I power of N, so it will be S equal to 9,200 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.041 over 4 power of 4 times 5. So we're gonna get 11,281 ringgit 45. Next, we have to calculate the accumulated value of the second deposit, which is 7,000 ringgit. The second deposit was added 3 years later, so it will be 2 years. Using the same formula, it will be S equal to 7,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.041 over 4 power of 4 times 2. So it will be 7,595 ringgit 2 cents. We need to add both accumulated amounts, 11,281 ringgit 45 cents plus 7,595 ringgit 2 cents. So our final answer will be 18,876 ringgit 47 cents. Next, for question B, determine the total interest earned by that time. First, we have to find the total of principal deposited. As we all know, Adwa made 2 deposits, which is 9,200 ringgit and 7,000 ringgit. So the total principal he put in is 16,200 ringgit. So this is the total amount of his own money that went into the account with no interest. The last step, we need to calculate total interest earned by using interest equals final amount minus principal, which is 18,876 ringgit 47 cents minus 16,200 ringgit, and it will be 2,676 ringgit 47 cents. Our final answer for total interest earned is 2,676 ringgit 47 cents. Okay, let's go to the last question. For question C, based on your result, evaluate whether Adwa saving will be enough to cover the 20,000 ringgit down payment for his dream car. Explain your reasoning. First, we have to compare required amount with the accumulated amount. So, the required down payment is 20,000 ringgit. From question A, the total savings Adwa will have at age 25 is 18,876 ringgit 47 cents. It will be 20,000 ringgit minus 18,876 ringgit 47 cents. So we're gonna get 1,123 ringgit 53 cents. So the conclusion is Adwa saving is not enough to cover the 20,000 ringgit down payment for his dream car. It is because when he turns 25 years old, his total accumulated amount is 18,876 ringgit 47 cents, which less than the required 20,000 ringgit.
Part B, question 1. Saif father left an inheritance of Rm 1.1 million, which was divided in the ratio of 5 to 3 to 2 among Saif and his two siblings, Anjali and Rani. Saif used his entire share as the down payment for a fabric factory worth Rm 1 million. He then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charged 4.2% interest compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 25 years. A. Find a monthly payment. Question here asks to find monthly payment, which is R. We need to use formula A equals to R 1 plus I brackets N minus 1 over I. But before we insert all the information into formula, we need to find A first. In the question given, cash price here is Rm 1 million. It said Saif used his entire share as the down payment for a fabric factory. So we need to solve the ratio. We need to plus up the entire ratio. Saif to Anjali to Rani. Saif 5, Anjali 3, Rani 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2, we got 10. This question asks for Saif only, so we solve the Saif only, which is 5 over 10 multiple Rm 1.1 million. And then we will get 550,000 for the down payment. Okay, now we have cash price and down payment to find A. To find A equals to cash price deducted down payment. 1 million deducted to 550,000 is equals to 450,000. So A here is 450,000. Now we can insert all the information into the formula, which is A equals to R brackets 1 plus I brackets N negative 1 over I. A we got 450,000. I here is I equals to K over M, which is 4.2 is the interest. Compounded monthly is the M, which is 12. So I here is 0.042 over 12. And then N equals to M multiple T. So here in the question given, M is 12 and T is 25 years. 12 multiples 25, we got 300. The final answer is 2,425 ringgit 24 cents. Question B, calculate the interest charge. Formula for interest charge is I equals to N multiple R minus A. 300 multiple 2,425 ringgit 24 cents minus 450,000. And the final answer, we will get 277,572 ringgit Malaysia. If he fails to pay the first 2 monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the third payment in order to settle the outstanding errors. Now we're going to use formula S equal to R 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. But for the N here, we use 3 because it asks for third payment. Use calculator to get the final answer. The answer is 7,301 ringgit 21 cents. Immediately after paying for 20 years, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount. So if decide to pay after 20 years, so 20 minus 20 years, we will get 5 years. 5 years multiples 12, we will get 60 months. Insert into formula, which is N. Use calculator to get the answer. At the end, the final answer, we will get 131,045 ringgit 7 cents.
Question 2. So, in this question, we need to find N, whereas N is time for monthly deposit. The formula that we're going to use is S equals P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N minus 1 over I. After that, insert all the information into the formula. Then, we need to use log to find N, which is N equals log 1.17333333 over log 1.00325. And the final answer is 49.26. But we need at least 40,000 ringgit. If with 49 months, we cannot get 40,000. So we need 50 months to get at least 40,000 ringgit.